Hey, good morning, everyone. Happy May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. This is a special episode of CSI Cache Scene Investigation with Chief Scout, because this is the weekend of the Blueswitch souvenir. And this is a special weekend, special day for geocachers, recognizing that on May 2nd, 2000, the satellite switch was thrown that allowed for more accurate GPS readings and allowed the start of our game. So here we are, 24 years into a game. I've been playing for about 18. So let's hit the trail and see what adventures, some caches we can find today. So we've been able to see some neat flora and fauna on the trail today. I took some still photos that I'll include in this video. And you can see just what we've been able to find beyond our caches on this fantastic day. So here's one of our cache containers for the day. It's Chip or Dale, I really can't remember, but here he is as a Mountie. We successfully retrieved the cache, signed the log. Now we'll put it back up in its hiding place for the next cache. We're going to go find some caches today on the Oxford Trail, and we're going to wind up going through the Tunnel of Doom. Is this anything like going into the light? We're going to look for a cache here at the 2-eye structure. You can read a bit about it. They wanted to build a thriving cement manufacturing plant in 1921. The ever-popular culvert cache.
Now, I may have passed it.
I think I found a bill of lading. And there we have, just on the side, neatly tucked up. Safe for the next person. Alright, on our way back out. And another successful tunnel culvert cache. Oh, that was my head. Oh, guess it wasn't recording that time. So you can see here we are up the tree. Grab this cache container, and it's all a matter of how high you climb up. So the team sent me up for this one. So here we are, ended another successful geocaching day out on the trail. Beautiful weather. Met a few other cachers on the trail and got some pretty unique finds across Oxford County and Woodstock trails. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. Leave your comments, and we'll see you on the trail.